Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can place your ceiling lights exactly where you want them by using Ruler Tool in 2D and Guidelines in 3D. We'll start with 2D mode first. In 2D mode, click on the Ruler Tool in the top left corner of your screen. Now, draw a ruler line in the place where you want to put your ceiling lights. I will have some spotlights in front of my windows, so I will start from the corner. Now, by using the ruler tool again, I will measure the distance between my spotlights. I will also draw ruler lines above my coffee table where I want to place my pendant light. And now above the kitchen table. When you finished with the ruler tool, switch to ceiling plan mode, and now you can place your lights. And we're done. Now I will show you how to place your lights in 3D by using the guidelines. In 3D, we will be drawing the guidelines on the ceiling, but first we need to get some measurements. If you want to place your lights directly above the coffee table and the dining table, then first we need to measure the position of the coffee table and the dining table on our floor. You need a piece of paper to write these measurements down. I will zoom in. We're gonna remove the rock first, so it's not in our way. Now we'll click on Guidelines, start from the edge, and now we'll try to eyeball the midpoint of our coffee table. Now write this measurement down. Now we'll do the same from the other side. Again, write it down. Do the same with your dining table. We can remove the previous guidelines so they're not in our way, and for that, click on Guideline and click on Trim tool in the top center of your screen. So now we'll start with the guidelines again, and we will write it down. Remove these guidelines, and now rotate your project so you're facing your ceiling. Now you can use your guidelines and recreate them on the ceiling. Go to File, in the top left corner of your screen, go to Settings, and switch off the object snapping, because otherwise our lights will snap within our guideline lines. Now we can place our lights. Now we can remove the guidelines and switch to your floor. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!